Another day, another house tour. Today, bumalik tayo dito sa Olivares Home Southwoods. Bakit? Just to inform you na meron tayong reopen na 3 duplex dito sa Olivares Homes Southwoods. So today, ibibisit ko kayo dito sa Jade model, which is again the duplex model. So it has 2 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 carport with 84 square meter lot area and 71 square meter floor area. So tara po, pasok po tayo. So ito po yung ating Jade model. So yung Jade model, pag sinabi, it's a duplex. Pag sinabi pong duplex is, dalawa po siyang magkatabi. Then ibig sabihin po yung at the middle is, yung po yung shared firewall niya. So tara po, pasukin po natin yung model house ni Jade model. So this is our facade. So yung facade po natin is ayan, earth color siya. So meron tayong window doon, then meron tayong 2 balconies. So dito, ayan, yun yung isang balcony dito, meron tayong mini balcony. Pero apparently, parang window lang din siya. Parang di natin siya ma-access unlike nitong isa. Okay? So dito naman po, ito yung ating carport, concrete carport. Then we have our provision for our garden. Then on this side, ito naman yung ating setback sa gilid. Then going forward, we also have setback at the back, which is our service area. So ayan, so ito po yung ating service area. So if in the future, ipa-extend nyo siya or ilabas nyo yung inyong kitchen o maglagay kayong dirty kitchen and laundry area. So, very ideal po dyan. So, tara po, pasok po tayo. So, we're here. So, we have here our metal door. Then, upon entering guys, bubungad sa atin yung ating living area. So, this is our living area. So, naglagay sila ng L shape. Then, sa tapat niya, we have our dining area. Yan. Then, on this side guys, ito po yung ating kitchen. So, napakaganda ng kitchen natin, napaka-elegant. We have the base cabinet and we also have our hanging cabinet. Then dito pa rin, we have window. So good thing sa window, number one yung they naturally enter the light. Then at the same time, pwede mo siyang buksan if you're cooking or if you are preparing food. Siyempre para hindi ma-stuck dito sa loob yung ating yung amoy nung lulutuin or yung niluluto mo. Okay? Then ito yung door nung para sa atin sa service area. Ayan. Then, dito naman, we have our toilet and bath. So, this is our shower area. Good thing dito, ganito na yung marireceive nila. We have, nakatiles na yung walls from ceiling up to the floor. Ayan, then we have our toilet and we have our lavatory. We're done on the first floor. Let's proceed with our second floor. Tingnan natin kung ano yung makikita nyo doon. Okay, so let's go. So by the way guys, I forgot, naka-tiles na po tayo upon turnover ng unit nila. Naka 60 by 60 na ceramic tiles. Then sa stairways naman, we have yung mga bawat steps natin naka-vinyl up to the second floor. Then we have metal and wood grills, hand grills dito. Ayan. Then this one, we have 2 bedrooms. So we have the master's bedroom and we have another bedroom for our kids. So let's see dito muna sa mga kids natin. If you notice, ang dinesign ng developer natin is double bed na wherein pinupull out yung bed sa baba. So kung if you have 2 kids, so very ideal tong ganitong setup. So may window tayo dito, another window, then dito naglagay sila ng cabinet para taguan ng mga clothes ng ating mga kids. At the same time, naglagay sila ng hexagonal divider, pwedeng paglagay ng books, then toys. Then dito naman, naglagay sila ng study table. So para at least mas comfortable if your kids will study. Okay, then dito naman, we have another toilet and bath. So, similar with the first one dun sa ground floor natin. So, ayan po. Same setup lang din naman siya. Then, we have another bedroom which is our master's bedroom. So, dito sa master's bedroom, ayan, dito naman sila naglagay ng cabinet. Then, ito yung tinuro ko kanina na may mini balcony lang siya. Pero, yun nga, parang medyo maliit siya if you're going to stay. But later, may makikita kayo na pwede kayong magstay. So, siguro pag binuksan mo yung bintanang niya o yung sliding window na yan, then this one, so very, mas maginhawa na siya kung ayaw mo maglagay ng aircon. So, dito, naglagay sila ng, I guess this is a double bed na for you to relax para kung magpapahinga po tayo. Then, this one, this is our balcony. So, ayan. Medyo marumi lang po yung ating balcony. Pero, ayan, yan po yung makikita natin dyan. Okay? So, yun lang po. If you're interested with the Jade model, again, meron tayong 3 reopen na Jade model duplex. So, if you're interested, guys, just message me on my Viber and WhatsApp with the number of 0956-618-6967. Or you can simply message me on my FB page, Bahay for One. This is Yun Yambao, your registered real estate salesperson. Bye-bye!